Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to draw lotus. Can you see? See like this lotus. Okay, so for this first of all I will open our paint application. Okay, now I have opened our paint application. So first of all, we will choose oval shape from shapes group. Okay. First of all, I will choose oval shape. Okay. And I will draw like this. Oval here. Drag it and draw like this oval. Okay. Understood? Now, afterward, select this line tool and draw a small line slanting, little bit slanting. Okay, then see, if you observe here our lotus, see here, this is a curve, correct, for these petals. This is a curve little bit, this is a slanting line little bit, and this is a curve. Okay, so to draw like this curve, okay, I will select curve tool from shapes group. Selected. Now draw a line from this point. Can you see this point? This point to here. Last point. Okay. Understood? Now we want to curve. So what we will do here? Take your mouse pointer in the middle of this line and drag it. Okay, done. Now click here only. Don't click anywhere. I told you in the previous sessions also. Whenever you want to draw a curved line, first draw that line and then take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it over there. And click here only. Done. Okay, same thing for another bit. Now see, I will select again line tool. Draw little bit slant line. Done. Okay. Then select curve tool from shapes group and draw a line from this point to here. Same point again and not here, there, nothing. Here only. Okay. Done. Now take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it here. And click here only. Don't click anywhere. Okay. Again. Now I want to draw again another pattern here. So same thing. Again select line tool. Draw a little bit slant line here. Then select curve tool. Draw a curved line from this point to this end point here only. And take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it here like this. Okay, and click here only. Then if you want more petals, again same thing. Draw a line, select line tool, draw a line, then select curve tool from shapes group. Draw this curved line from this point to here, last point, this one, like this. Okay, Then take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it over here. Okay, done. Click there only. Done. Now if you observe for lotus, see here right side part, a right side part and left side part. It is the same. Correct. It looks like a mirror image, isn't it? See, if you observe this right side part and this left side part is mirror image of the right side part. It looks like a same. So, for this, no need to draw again. Wait. See, no need to draw again this part here. Okay. What you can do? There is one trick for this. Okay. Pay attention carefully. Huh? For this, if you want to draw same mirror image, okay, then what you can do? Go to select tool. Can you see this select tool? Okay. Then click on select tool. Then select rectangular selection option and select this half part like this. Drag it and select this half part. I will explain it again. See, go to select rectangular selection and how to select? See, like this half part. Wait. Understood everyone? Okay. Like this, drag over there and select half part. Done. Now go to copy, click on copy and then paste here. Then you will get like this image. Okay. Now same part we want mirror image of the same part. So what you can do here? Go to rotate in image group. Can you see this rotate option? We want to flip this image horizontally. Okay. If you want mirror image of your image part, then you can use flip horizontally option. Which option is available in this rotate? Okay. Go to image group. Then you can select here rotate. Near to rotate option, you can see one black arrow. Okay. Click on that black arrow, small black arrow. See, you can see here. Click on rotate option. Then you can see like this option. So here, see, rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Now we want mirror image of your selected image, isn't it? So we will select flip horizontal. Now if I select flip, you will ask me, Miss, can we select flip vertical option? No. If you want water image, then you can select flip vertical. Now see, I will select flip vertical. Let's see how your image will look. See, I will select flip vertical. See, it looks like a ulta. Correct? But we don't want like this. Isn't it? Correct? We want mirror image. So, go to rotate, flip horizontal. Which option you will select? From rotate, flip horizontal option. Now I will select this flip horizontal option. Now see. See, you will get this mirror image. Isn't it? Now only select those part and drag it over here and join it at proper place. See, like this. Okay, done? Understood? Wait, I will repeat it again how to draw like this lotus. See, I will repeat it again. First, draw oval. Done. Now, go to line tool. Draw a little bit like this slant line. Okay. Now, afterwards, select curve tool and draw a line from this point to here, end point of this oval. See here, this is our end point. So, draw a line from this point to end point of the oval. Done. Now take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it. And click here only. Don't click anywhere. Okay. Now again select this line tool. Again draw a little bit slant line like this. Okay. But these lines should not be up to here. Huh? See, it not looks like our lotus. So these lines should be here only at the same level. See, you should maintain the same level. Okay, so draw up to here. Then afterward select curve tool. Draw a curve line from this end point of this line to end point of the oval. See here only. Take your mouse pointer in the middle and drag it. Done. Now click here only. Again, same thing. Draw curve line. Drag it. Click here. Again, same. Okay, done. Now go to select tool. Select rectangular selection and select this half part like this. Okay, done. Drag it and select this half part. Then go to copy. Then click on paste. You will get this image. Now we want to flip horizontal. Okay, we want to select flip horizontal because we want mirror image. Correct? So go to rotate option from image group. Click on rotate and select flip horizontal option. Then you will get the mirror image. Okay, done. Now select rectangle tool and draw like this here. Now leaves, for leaves select oval tool, draw like this leaf here. Okay, done. Now we want to color this lotus. First of all, you can select a dark pink color. So first of all I will select pink color, faint pink color. Then go to edit colors and I want dark pink. So I will take this arrow little bit down for shading, shade, dark shade of pink color. Select it. Okay, this pink color is okay. Click on OK, or this pink color, whatever you want. Okay, then go to fill with color tool and fill your pink color. Okay, here I want green color, so I will select green color here. Keep green color. Okay, and for background you can select blue color. Now same lotus if you want here also, two lotus. Then same thing, go to select rectangular selection and select these lotus. Go to copy and paste it here. Okay, understood everyone how to draw lotus? I hope everyone understood. Now all of you do practice, okay, and draw lotus in pen and post it, whatever your assignment, not assignment. If you can draw a lotus properly, then post it in our computer group, in Microsoft Teams computer group. Okay, all of you post your lotus in Microsoft Teams computer group. Okay, understood everyone? And to practice, huh? Okay, thank you.